we have great response for ITCONS E-Solutions Limited IPO. The company got huge subscription from the investor and they have subscribed more than 16 times. And the best part about this issue is there was equal amount of subscription and equal amount of enthusiasm for retail investor and other investor. So we would want to know the response from Gauravv Mittal. Sir, please.
So yes, thank you so much. And it was overwhelming, say, response from the investors, whether they were from the HNI, they were QIPs, mutual funds, companies, FIIs, and then the retail investors. There was a response almost 16.7 times the IPO got oversubscribed, and definitely, it's a. I really want to thank all my all kind of investors, whether they applied for 2,000 shares to someone who might have applied for a lakh kind of a share or more than that as well. So yes, it's a huge responsibility on our shoulder now. Earlier, when we were private limited, we were accountable to give. We were only accountable to or we were responsible to give the response to few of the people. But now, since we have gone listed, public listed company, now private limited is no more. So the responsibilities lies more in terms of increasing shareholders' wealth, the confidence of the investors who have invested into us, and now since we got this news last Tuesday when first time we got oversubscribed by 1.03 times. Since then, we are completely on sales and marketing, and then ensuring more and more client they come to us, and we get more and more say top line and bottom line.
So like it is great responsibilities. Now your shareholder is directly impacted with your company's financials. So you are getting some kind of burden or feeling like very high responsibilities under your shoulders.
So it's not burden. So see, as I said, like getting the company listed is dream of every entrepreneur, and that is what we strive for. So it's not a burden. I'll not use the word burden, but yes, now huge responsibility in terms of ensuring every shareholder who has got faith in us, they should get maximum benefit uh, by the share, whatever the shareholding pattern they have, whatever the number of the shares they have, they should get a good return, not only on the listing, but after 1 year, 2 year down the line, they should see growing along with us. The organization will grow, same will be the shareholders, wealth will be increasing, and there are few things, as I said, like for last 7 days, they have been exciting, but at the same time, because of the more responsibilities, we had been completely dwelling ourselves into sales and marketing, talking to all clients, getting more and more business, new business.
Okay, so like it was new experience for you to connect with the investment banker, talk to investor, anything which is like quite encouraging for you while interacting with these investors who were potential investors?
Yeah. So what happens is when you're the first generation entrepreneur, you come from the other side of the table. If you're from the technology background, so major focus has been always on the technology side. When you start the business is more towards managing the people, managing the finances, managing the sales and marketing activities. If you are a product company, yes, getting the new product or new edge cutting technology based on the new edge cutting technologies developed is another responsibility. But in case of business like us, which is into staffing, it is more towards the relationship. It is more towards giving the confidence to the say big companies who are actually outsourcing their manpower to you, that you will be able to do this. Yes. Now the earlier change was only towards the people who were my clients or who are my internal customers, like my employees. Now today, because the investors are from all over India or maybe from all over world, so more responsibility in terms of ensuring that each and every investor should feel happy and delighted. They should feel they have invested in the right kind of the company, and that company will give them adequate returns on their investment.
Okay, so like
So
yes, please
yeah,
continue.
please go ahead. Yeah.
So like after becoming publicly listed companies, there is great amounts of pride between the employees of the company that our company become listed companies. So are you feeling that loyalty of employees increases in your company going forward?
It do, and it does definitely. And soon we are also coming up with the ESOP policy. In next 1 or 2, 3 months for my internal employees who had been associated with us for a long time. Since now it is not just the horizontal growth, it will be vertical growth also. There'll be a couple of the acquisitions which will be happening in the coming times ahead. Apart from the regular say recruitment and staffing business, what we do, and yes, a lot of people will be joining. They may be honchos in their respective fields, or they may be say on a hefty salary package, depending upon what salary bracket we take them, and what kind of vested share vesting or option stock option what we give to retain the best of the talent. Internal employees, they are very happy, and they are feeling they are now part of the organization which has got some substance in the market, not only in terms of the monetary part of it, but yes, it has some impact whom the organization is known to the people, and the investors have shown the interest, so they are feeling delighted.
Okay. And sir, if I look about the brand equity of companies, you have good amount of client interacting with you. Now your company become a public listed company, had increased the value and brand equity definitely. So are you getting like more traction for the client also that they want to work with you?
Yeah, even my existing clients whom we communicated, now we are getting a very good response. They have got more confidence into us. Yes, we are now a listed company because we are working with almost all the clients who are listed companies only. So there is a huge respect for the companies which are got listed now. With the existing clients and the newer clients, wherever we are going, and we are asking for demanding for more business, we are getting very positive response. And I am hopeful within this month and another 2, 3 months time, there will be a huge jump from our current revenue level to the next level, because we'll be getting more and more requirements, more and more transfer of the resources from different sources, from
Okay,
different clients.
okay, sir.
So definitely this happens, and this creates a real good brand equity.
Okay, sir. And like it's really nice always talking to you. Wish you all the best and hope that your past journey was very encouraging and rewarding. Now future journey would be very rewarding and encouraging for shareholder, and hope to see you soon migrating to big
Main
exchange of
board.
exchange.
That is, yes, that is the main board is our definitely the expectation in next 2 years time. And I hope by that time the company's revenue would have grown multifold, with the whatever the current say market cap what we have. I think while we move to the main board 2 year down the line, that market cap should be multiplied by few numbers.
Mhm.
So that is what the expectation is, and I hope with God blessing and investors' confidence in us, we'll be able to sail it through, and we will be giving the best of the returns. That is what I can promise. We'll try for this.
Wish you all the best for your new journey, and it was really nice talking to you as always. Thank you, sir.
Thanks for your time as well.